Hello dear children, welcome to your fun craft class. Janmashtami is coming soon. So in today's class we are going to make Krishna Mukut and Basuri. Okay, let's start. So first we will make the Mukut, and what we will require? A white piece of chart paper, glue, crystal or you can say stones, scissor, a more punk, golden paper and string. Ready? Another thing we will require, that is a marker, a black marker. Now take the white chart paper and with the help of a black marker we will draw a mukut. Now make a cutout with the help of this scissor. Like this. One thing I forgot to mention, that we will require yellow color pencil also. Okay. Now we will color the mukut with yellow color, yellow crayon. Now color this portion orange. Here it is. Now we will decorate this with the help of stones. Now let them dry. Now we will cut the more punk. This way. Now take the more punk and paste it behind the mukut with the help of glue and let it dry. Now with the help of a scissor we will cut a small portion this side and this side also. Now we will tie the strings. This way and this side also. Here is our mukut ready. Children, I am going to show you another type of mukut. For this you will require a long piece of chart paper. Now take the golden paper, place the chart paper over it and cut it like this. Now we will paste the golden portion over the white portion, okay, with the help of glue. See children, like this. Now we will decorate this one. You can use stones or something else, whatever you have you can use it. Now cut them. Now tie the strings. Ready? This is one kind of mukut with the help of golden paper, and this is another mukut. We make it with the help of color pencils. Okay? Now try these mukuts. Dear children, it's time to make our basuri. To make the basuri, we will require newspaper, golden paper, string, marker, decorative items, glue, and a scissor. First, take the newspaper and start folding it. Make a roll. Like this. Now take the golden paper and cover it properly. Now with the help of glue, paste it. Let it dry. Now with the help of this black marker pen, we will draw holes, the round holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And fill them. This way. Now we will tie this rope. And we will decorate it. Here is our basuri ready. If you like this video, then hit the like button, share my video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.